Scorpios, welcome to your February 2021 reading. And in this reading, I'm going to be exploring all aspects of your life and deliver the messages to you as and how I receive them. In the meanwhile, may I request you to check out my Instagram and Facebook if you'd like a free reading from me. The links to both these places is provided in the description box below. Also, I would hugely appreciate it if you can subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon as well. Do give this reading a thumbs up if this resonates with you. So the overall energy for your month of February is the card of the Hierophant, which is a very strong time beginning in your life. And from here begins your movement and your progress from all the confusion you have been in or the chaos you've been in the past. Let me get you some more cards and then I begin to elaborate it for you. With the card of the Hierophant, I feel like you could be taking some strong decisions about yourself, about your life and your present moment. I also feel, Scorpios, you could be making these decisions about something long term. Maybe it could be marriage, it could be a relationship, it could be starting a venture, a joint venture, it could be something to do with government and authoritative figures. It could be something to do with even building a house. Now, the card of Hierophant doesn't talk about building a house, but I feel like some of you Scorpios listening to this message could be thinking about relocating or building a house or a structure or even an organization you could be associating with. But I definitely see this movement happening for you. You get the energy of the Taurus and the Cancer here very strongly, and I feel like you could be dealing with a Taurus or a Cancer at this point in time, and even a Leo, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I get that, Scorpios, you are looking to move into a place of happiness, peace, security, abundance, and I kind of feel like you're also getting there. There are two cards here that are talking to me strongly about your movement in your life towards something more peaceful and away from the jarring noise of the past. I also feel like, Scorpios, you're not so sure about going or accepting a proposal at this point in time, because you could be focusing on yourself. You are your focus at this point in time, which is very good. And with the Two of Swords and Six of Cups energy, I feel like the Spirit is asking you not to go back to someone from the past. So with the Six of Cups energy, to not go back to someone from the past or return to a proposal from the past. You get the card of Five of Cups and Two of Pentacles. I still feel like you are a little bit trying to understand whatever happened with you a few weeks ago, a few months ago, or in your recent past. You're trying to overcome situations from there, but you're able to handle it very well in the month of February. And I kind of feel like now you have that zeal and that inner strength to keep you going as well. You have moved on from murky waters, is what I'm getting here. You could be self-educating yourself. You could be finding ways to grow at the business front, at the professional front. Probably some of you could be floating your own company. You're training and educating yourself for the same. You could be meeting a lot of people to help you achieve your goals with whatever this is. And yes, these people are destined to help you here in your life at this point in time, Scorpios. And you're getting their help. With you at the bottom of the deck, you have Seven of Swords energy. I saw that, so I'm going to explain about that. I feel like now this is not the large cheater stealer card for me here. What I am seeing here for you is that you are walking away, benefiting from the guidance, help and assistance from a lot of these people who are either recently presented to you in your life, or you're about to meet them in the month of February also. But you will see some way or the other they will be very fruitful or instrumental in your growth. You also get the card of Seven of Pentacles. I saw two cards. So you get the card of Seven of Cups along with the Seven of Pentacles energy and the Three of Cups. I feel like you're still very unsure about your financial stability and growth happening for you in the coming times. But Spirit is saying that do not be worried for long, because here in the month of February, probably just out of the blue, you could be presented with many opportunities. But of course, you're going to have to pick and choose, because you could feel deviated, or these could make you feel a little confused about what to choose, which one to choose over the other. But these are going to be some very fruitful and financial opportunities that will help you get yourself going in life in the coming times. I also see a Queen of Wands energy here. This is someone in your life who has a strong influence on you and is willing to help you and guide you. This person could be a popular person, or is a very much in demand. Everybody likes to be around her, likes to see her, or she has a lot of command over people. She could be even dealing with the masses. But I feel like she is one very strong, influential person in your life at this point in time, and she's very powerful in keeping negativity away. So she has gained this. Now when I'm talking about Queen of Wands, it does not necessarily have to be only a she in your life. It could be a male or a female. But I feel like this person has done a lot of work and they have grown on their own talents and abilities, and they're here to help you do the same, or they could be in some way inspiring you to help that achieve for yourself. With the card of the Star, this is the Aquarius energy. They could be helping you with online social media. They could be helping you with things to do with gadgets, technology, radio, brainwaves. I don't know who needs to hear this, but binaural beats also is something I'm hearing, and meditations, channelings. But this is somebody who is helping you on a very different tangent. Probably this person is very spiritual, or they are helping you become very spiritual or discover your spiritual self better here in the month of February. And from there, you start looking at things in a different light. You also get the Page of Swords energy. What is the Page of Swords here for? You get the Page of Swords and the Knight of Pentacles here. I kind of feel like you're going to take small little steps towards making those much desired and needed changes in your life, Scorpios. And with the Page of Cups, you're going to proceed with whatever you want to do, whatever this is, you're going to take your steps towards with a lot of care and a lot of maturity. At the same time, I feel like Scorpios, you are thinking about doing too many things. Now, there was a time when you were sure, I want to move out of a situation. Now you're like, okay, I'm moving out of the situation, but where do I go? Which direction do I take? And with the Three of Wands energy, you're definitely choosing a healthier, happier future for yourself. At the bottom of the deck, you get the Nine of Cups energy. And I feel like Scorpios, you're definitely moving towards a more contented and a joyful time for yourself. This time also speaks to me about you gaining higher grounds, higher understanding, and a more contented life for yourself. What other things do you want me to see for Scorpios, please? You get the card of Six of Wands. I feel like Scorpios, you have been either meeting a lot of people in the past or have been in talks with them, and now they kind of see your worth, or they could be coming towards you and they see you as somebody who they would want to have around them. So this is really good news. You get the card of King of Pentacles. Scorpios, they definitely see you as someone who's walking from being the Six of Wands energy to the King of Pentacles, who's going to be very, very strong and powerful in the coming times. And they see you as someone who they can have a long-term connection with, long-term relationship with. So when I talk about relationship, it does not necessarily have to be a couple thing, but it can be with regards to anything. If you're working with someone, it could be in an organization, it could be in personal relationships, it could be neighbors too. But I see such stability coming into your life with your emotional connect and your relationships in the coming times. You get quite a lot of these cards. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to take this. I'm going to draw into this. So Scorpios, the card that I have for you is the card of Ace of Pentacles, and the other card is the Nine of Cups energy. So I feel like whatever this was at the back of your mind with regards to your finances, your emotional well-being, your health and support, everything is going to materialize for you. And very soon I feel like, and this happiness is going to come to you from many directions all at once. And this is looking to me very strongly approaching you to probably after the mid of the month of February. And also 27th of February seems like a very significant date to me. I'm hearing 15th, 17th, 15th, 16th, 17th and 27th of the month of February could be very significant to you. What else? I feel like Scorpios, finally you could be having a victorious moment, or you could be walking away from a situation or a person that you previously felt stuck on. You also get the card of Nine of Wands energy. This person could have been a part of your life, probably a family member, or someone who felt like a family member to you, or had been very, very close to you. But this person, you're trying to move away from this person. You're trying to move away from all the wounds and the discomfort they caused you in your life. And with the card of Five of Wands, I want you to know that in the process of moving away from someone, try not to pick a fight or allow someone to get on your nerves. The cards that I have for you here are the Five of Wands, the Ace of Cups, the card of the Death, and the card of the Devil. Okay, so Scorpios, there is something you need to be a little careful about. If you, however, pick a fight with somebody who was close to you or who you were in a connection with, their negativity could be impacting you, or you could allow their negativity to impact you. So shielding and protection at this point in time is very important for you, because the energy in the month of February is also giving you opportunities to move forward, move ahead from somewhere where you've been stuck for some time now, for a while now. So you creating that bitterness in someone else's heart, or trying to pull away from someone and something, yet again end up creating unhappiness in that situation, is going to land you into trouble. That is the Devil energy. So with your own sign appearing in your reading, you have the card of the Death. This is the Scorpio energy. You're being asked to not create any more karmas with this person, whatever or whoever this is. You are being asked to quietly move away from them, because what is lined up here for you is long term, and these energies actually pushing you out from your past into better, healthier times in the present, in the year 2021. And I kind of feel like this is a giant push from the universe coming towards you. However, the spirit is also warning you not to cater to any of the old people, their emotions, their situations. Sometimes it's just better to ignore them and let it go. Not everything that falls on your ears or in front of your eyes is something that requires you to elicit a reaction. So please keep this in mind, and I do not want you to get caught in this unhealthy energy business. Also, with your reading beginning with the card of the Hierophant, and the card of the Hierophant and the Rider-Waite deck carries the number 5, which is the number of the year 2021, the Mercurial energy. So this seems to me, and Hierophant is also a major arcana card. This seems to me like the month of February is a very significant month for you when it comes to changes, and a lot of these changes you will see, they will just pull you into the vortex of the changing energies. However, you're being asked to keep yourself on positive vibrations at all times, not given to mood swings or low vibrations. Any negative thought at this point in time is only going to pull you down and not 100% allow you to come in the energy of growth and progress. Give me one more card for guidance for Scorpios, please. For Scorpios, please. Like I need to take this. You get the card of Temperance. So Scorpios, this is the Sagittarian energy. You could have a Sagittarian person around you. In this, you could look up their sun, moon, and rising. I feel like you need to be a little more sorted and balanced here. Please practice meditation and focus on your heart chakra. Balancing the energies there will help, because like the spirit said, if you are not able to let go of the past and also land up creating more karmas for yourself by picking fights, or someone who's trying to do that to you, you could be falling into their trap. If you don't take care of yourself right now, this process of pulling you out of any negative circumstances and pushing you towards growth is going to elongate for you. So take your time, practice meditation daily, and that helps to assimilate the higher energies into your system faster. So when you are getting this message is when you're supposed to receive it, Scorpios. And I also feel like I'm going to take this and this. So you get the card of Four of Cups and the card of Seven of Wands. I feel like a lot of you Scorpios are feeling, she keeps saying and talking about a lot of positive things happening in our lives, but God knows when they're going to show up. So this is not your discontentment with me, dear Scorpios, but this is something that you're unable to see because you have gone through a lot of these things for a few years now, I would say, and kind of looking for a quick solution to this. Not exactly a quick solution, because a solution is very much needed at this point in time for you. So, but you are getting there with the Seven of Wands energy. You are creating ways and resources and paths for yourself where you are going to snap out of this energy of confusion and instability or being stagnant, and you're definitely manifesting new doorways for yourself. So this has been a very significant reading, and I feel like February is a very strong month for you here, Scorpios. You get quite a few major arcana cards. There's the card of Death, there's the card of the Devil, there's the card of Temperance, there is the Star, there is the Hierophant, there's a Chariot. So you have a lot, and there's the Judgment also. A lot of things are coming to a close here in the month of February, and many things are beginning also here for you, and you're finally taking those steps towards the new beginnings. So come out of the past, allow the new energies to assimilate with your higher self and into your channels. Meditate and clear the space around you. That's what I have for you for now, Scorpios. Please do hit the like button for me if you like this reading, and do share it with people who might need to hear this message. I'm going to be back very soon with more messages for your sign. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification icon as well. And about that free reading, you can join me on Instagram and Facebook, where I often go live to answer your queries for you. Until we meet again, bye bye, stay safe and stay blessed.